Hey there, it's Alistair here from starting a Shopify store from scratch. So in the last video we left off on domains. Today we are just going to look at the preferences. So let's go in there. In the preferences, basically all you've got to do is you've got to add your SEO, add Google Analytics, add a Facebook pixel if you plan to run Facebook ads, and then enable or disable the shop password. And you can also enable a Google re-captcha protection system at the bottom here. Let's quickly go through this once more. So for your SEO, you need to write in the title of your store and what your store is about, and write a brief description of what your business is about, so that whenever you write content and it's found in search engines, Google has an understanding of what your store is about. In Google Analytics, all you do is you go into Google Analytics. Let me show you quick. What you need to do is navigate into your Google Analytics, grab the tracking code and install it in Shopify. So I'm going to show you how to grab your tracking link. So you just type in analytics.google.com. If you don't have an account, sign up with Gmail and go in. Once you're into Analytics, hover down or navigate down to the admin section. If you have not yet created an account, go and click on create an account. It's a quick setup process. All you've got to do is give her a new account name, accept the terms, add anything you want or remove anything you don't want. Click next. Let's just say test here. It's going to be for a web that we're measuring. Click next. All you've got to do is add in your website name, your URL, select what industry you're in, what time zone you are in. I'm just choosing at random. Go and create. You need to accept all the policies. Right, the property is being created. Right, the property is created. What you want now is this tracking code right here. Copy that, navigate back to Shopify, paste it in there. Then save. I'm not going to save it because this is not a true store, just a demo. But I'm just showing you for your interest. If you intend to run Facebook ads, then you can add in your tracking pixel here. Go and learn about it. What I'm going to do is in the description box, I'm going to link you to a site where you can go on Facebook and learn all about advertising with Facebook, where you can also learn how to set up your ads and your tracking pixel within Facebook. It's called Facebook Blueprint. You'll find the link in the description box. It's a free course. I highly suggest you go and learn. What I also do is leave a link for you to go and learn more about Google Analytics and how to use it and set it up properly for your business. Check the description box below. I think I've said it before, but once you're ready to publish your store, then you can disable this which will then set your store live for people to come in and shop. While this is enabled, people cannot come into your store and shop. So just remember, to enable people to come shop, disable this and save. You know, within Google, you can go and set up re-captcha. That just prevents people from spamming your site. It's a straightforward thing, just click there and save. Within Shopify, it's really built in. They are going to go and automatically set up your things for you in Google. All you've got to do is click on the checkbox and click save. That's it for preferences. Short and sweet. There's not much to do here. You can probably get this done in 5 minutes or less. I always say, take action and move ahead. If there's something that you want to do, pause the video, go do it, come back, continue with the video, pause it again when you need to, take action, stop the video, pause, start, whatever you need to do. Make sure you take action and do the work to get your site built so that you can get through all of this learning and actually start doing the work that matters. And that is adding products to your store, creating content, advertising and marketing your business, and finally making sales. That's it for the preferences. If you like the content I'm creating, please consider subscribing, liking and clicking on the notification bell so that you can stay updated about videos I'm uploading on a daily basis. If you have any questions or need help, get in touch with us via our social media links in the description box below. See you in the next video.